pregnant. I just ate. It's gonna be good.
Oh shit, that's what's up.
Toe it the hell up. And I got the stains to prove it. Do you know the universal bread call? Okay. A couple things that I've learned. I eat out a lot. I eat the same things. And I wear the same thing every freaking day. What you gonna do? I realized I may have a problem. I have a problem. I do. I'll admit it. I had entirely too much fun with this challenge. But would I recommend OMAD? It just depends on your lifestyle. Like for example, I kept mine in a 1 hour window, and during the weekdays, it was easy. I broke the fast between like 12 and 1. But I found on the weekends, since I wasn't on a schedule, it was a little bit more difficult. So I would break the fast in the evenings between 7 and 8, and it kind of ended up turning into OMAD and a snack. But did it help me lose weight? And I don't know. Yeah, I know. The thing is, it's about to be Shark Week, and every time I get my period, I always put on a good 5 to 10 pounds of weight. And your girl is mad bloated. So unfortunately, I don't have accurate numbers. I mean, technically, I could subtract the 5 to 10 pounds from the last challenge, which I did lose 8 pounds or 3 pounds, but then the challenge before that, it went up. I think the last time it was 2 pounds, but then I put on weight, and then it went up, and then it went down, and then... Did I ever tell you I wasn't good with math? And if you're not good with math either, make sure you subscribe, and we'll miscount together. As always, folks, I want to thank you for your time. Until next time. Peace. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me. We always eating, damn!